My video guide is about removing the ransomware that is called Binwu, B-I-N-W-U. This particular ransomware is damaging a lot of files after it penetrates into the specific computer. The ransomware may damage pictures, music files, video files, and Microsoft Office documents through encrypting them. In this video, you will find out how exactly this ransomware works. So you will clearly see that before the ransomware attack, of course, you are able to open certain files. Unfortunately, after the encryption, customers can no longer open these files. They get this scary message mentioning that all their files have been damaged and encrypted by this particular ransomware. By the way, the text may be presented in the Russian language. Unfortunately, it is not possible to actually decrypt these files that got encrypted by this particular Binwu ransomware. First thing we recommend you to do is to go to the task manager, and if you find any suspicious processes with long random names, you should immediately right-click on them and end their task. This way you will be able to prevent at least some files from being encrypted by this ransomware. Then we recommend you to go to Program Files, choose Internet Explorer folder, start Internet Explorer browser, and go to the page combocleaner.com. Download the software called Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and it will help you to effectively detect and delete this Binwu ransomware from your system. So use this green button to download the application, install it, and start carefully researching your system with this program. Initially the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database for proper ransomware and malware detection. After the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, the program begins researching your device. Its premium license has got this excellent anti-ransomware feature that allows you to add one or several folders on your system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. So after the scanning is completed, you will see the summary of threats. You may remove these threats manually, but we strongly advise upgrading to Premium to delete all these threats altogether and automatically, and this way your files will always be protected in the future.